Hello and welcome back, dear subscriber. As you know, I am solving the specialization course Python for Everyone. Already, I have completed the first three courses, and in this video, I am solving the third week of the fourth course. I have also solved 2 weeks of these courses using Python with using database with Python. So the remaining courses solution you can find in the playlist of Deepcode Guru. You can visit the playlist and you can also see other courses solution I have provided, and NPTEL solution also I am going to provide. So and I also used to provide a video on different free courses and training. So you can join the Telegram group of Deepcode Guru for the code, and please subscribe my channel so you will also get update with the Deepcode Guru, the different solution and also educational video. So now I am going to solve the week third for this course using database with Python. Okay. So as you know, as usual, I am going to solve from very beginning. So I am solving this all courses in weekly wise manner, and in future I will keep on
represent this in a
some
database.
more courses solution, around 5 to 6 specialization courses. So you subscribe my channel and stay tuned with, so you can get notification and take help from my video. Okay guys, so here I am just
Data.
skipping the video and watching till I am not getting here green tick. Once I get means that is done. The status report is done.
We constructed a data model that makes
Here
sense.
green tick. So this way I am complete. Okay. So okay. Green tick done. Now I am going to solve the assignment for week 3. So there is quiz. So as usual, I will pause the video, I will solve the quiz and get it back so I can optimize the length of video. Now guys, you can see here I have completed for first ability to scan large amount of data quickly. Second is to look up a particular row in table very quickly. In third, use a person's email address as primary key. For fourth, the fourth answer is make a table that maps a string in the column to number and then use number in the column. In fifth, logical key. For sixth, foreign key. For seventh, auto increment, the last one you can see here, the auto increment without underscore. 8, join. For 9, the number of rows, you get the number of rows in the first table times the number of rows is second. For 10th, there is table name dot column. So now I am going to submit it. And now you can see here score is 100%. Now I am going to solve the graded assignment. So as usual, I will provide the whole details how you can solve it. So here I have to create some file, and then I have to also download this file, and then after I have go and manage it. So now, and from that I will get library.xml. So I am going to download this file. Okay, and I have downloaded this file. Okay, and I will cut this and I will put this file on the desktop so I can easily update from there. Okay, so in folder, okay, so here I will cut this file and I will go on the desktop. I will paste the file here. Then I am going to extract the file. So there is okay, this file I don't need actually. Okay. So I am going to extract the file here. You can download this extractor. So if you are also facing problem to download this, then you can text me. I will provide a tutorial on it. And this is under the tracks. Okay, so I just want to cut it and I just want to put in the desktop directory. As I have already saved the code on the desktop itself. Okay. Here this is the first things I have completed. Now coming to code, I have already done this code. So this is the code. I will provide this code in Telegram group of Deep Coding Guru as well as on the channel of Telegram group of Deep Coding Guru. So once you join, you will get those code over. And if you want to just refer it, you just decrease the video speed in case you are feeling slow and complete it. If you are facing slow, then increase the speed similarly and you complete it. Okay, so this is the code. Okay, so while I will run what the process I have to follow over there, I have to give the name. What name I have to go and give there? So there library.xml. So now I am going to take you on the desktop and then after I will solve. So guys, you can see here I have successfully kept library.xml on the desktop. Now I am going to run. You can save with any name. I have saved with this name, so I am running with this name. And what name I have to give? Library.xml. .xml. Okay. So it will also take a little time and then after I will get one file. So you can see here there is musical track and this is 2 file as I had shown you at the case of my box, the email file. So here also I am showing for this, and at the end one will disappear and one will keep on remain. So I am waiting for that. It will take some little time. So you subscribe my channel, click on bell icon and do subscribe so the other people, not other, you will get help whenever I will upload the new. So now the task is completed and you can see here this file has been also created. So now I am going to upload this file. Okay. So the file name is musical track database.script and I am going to submit it from here. Okay, so you can see here your answer is correct and now I am going to click on done. So once I refresh, I will get green tick. So this way guys you can complete it. In case of any problem you can approach me at any time. I will be there to help you out. So bonus video also I am going to cover. As you know,
Hi, this is Chuck Severance, and here
weekly wise this is specialization. So you can jump to the particular topic. Okay. And the other courses also I used to come up.
Okay, hello everybody. This is the second
channel and stay tuned with them. So now the third week has been completed and the next video I will cover week 4. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also join Telegram group of Deep Coding Guru, so you will get more latest information over there. I used to provide only educational video. So thanks again now.